This is a nostalgia pair of joints here. Trina was like, she would have never guessed that I would grab these joints, but I did, man. I couldn't pass these up.
Oh, these are, I will say to you that this colorway is going to come up again later on this year.
This year, he said?
Yeah, for me, on an unboxing. So that's number one.
Okay.
But number two, yeah, this is, I mean, these are what they are, right?
Yes,
these
indeed.
are iconic.
Iconic.
These are literally the definition of iconic. I didn't see
the Question Mid Packer collab.
the Packers.
That's what the burgundy and white type of thing. They do a lot of that's their colorway. Yeah, you didn't see this coming, right?
I didn't. Yeah,
Pause.
I can't say that if I would have guessed a joint to appear today that it would have been these.
Get a couple nice wears out of these in the wintertime.
Yeah, and I've never owned a pair, but I've always thought that they were incredibly comfortable.
They are. You can see what's going on here, yo.
Yeah, like
it's crazy.
Yeah. These are tough though.
The joints is tough, man.
You can't ever go wrong with a pair with a pair of Question.
Ice blue on the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Reebok logo, all that stuff, whatever.
Packer on the inside.
Packer on the inside.
I do like the fact that the number. Okay, all right. Let's get into some of the small details. Let's not skip over some of these things because some things that's happening here is really dope. First off, there are a few different textures here. Now, while this is not actually like real suede, it's supposed to feel like suede. But then there's this felt on the. This is clearly felt, right, which matches the soft lining inside, which is very dope. The Reebok symbols are stitched in everywhere.
Everywhere.
The tongue, that's stitched. That's not pressed on. That's stitched over top of the leather.
Yep.
I like the burgundy Packer.
Packer sits on the inside.
They make sure their branding is well shown. And it's also at the bottom of the heel. What I think is really, really, really dope is the number 3 is stitched. That's not like
stitched,
so
yo.
That's a stitching into the rubber on the sole. But the burgundy still matches that pseudo suede situation. Yeah. They did a great job with the details on this.
Came with 2 sets of strings, white and off-white. So we got the white joints right here.
Oh, okay. Because the only thing on here is the off-white.
Yeah, I'm going to go with the off-white. I like
now that I'm looking at outside of right in front of me, I can see them. Yeah. These are dope. These are dope.
Yeah, they're dope, man.
These are very dope.
I pulled the trigger on them joints. You know what I mean?
Very, very dope.
Clean joints right there.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Little burgundy stitching on the front right there, too. I did not notice
that.
Yeah.
I did not notice that.
Not bad. You do a couple things with these.
It's a lot of little touches that they didn't overlook.
The colorway remind me of the old Benzes, the gray joints with the burgundy guts. So that burgundy always does something for me.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
Those are tough.
Yeah, man.
That's
nostalgia.
That's a solid pickup, Jack.
Yes, indeed.